So we have a beautiful new add-on, the Product Swatches add-on, that allows you to display variants and similar items right there underneath the product. So in order to set up this product swatch, we need to go into Default Product and then down to Product Swatches. So if you open this up, you can see I've organized it a few different ways. Right now, this product swatch is under the group Clothes, the beanie, the twill cap, and the raglan shirt. The beanie, the twill cap, and the raglan shirt. You can't see on this product page mugs. Now that's because the embroidered beanie is directly underneath the group block Clothes. And the accent mug white is underneath the group block Mugs. You're going to need that to be visible and directly underneath if you want these to show up. For example, if I take this away, that's obviously gone. But if we go to the beanie page, we're not going to be able to see the other products either. Yeah, exactly. We can't see those product swatches anymore. And if we go to the white mug, then we can see these other two mugs here. So let's move that last mug up to the top. We can see that the products are still underneath this group, so they still show up. They will also show up in collection pages. So we can see here the raglan shirt is displaying the twill cap. And if we turn on the beanie, it will also display that. There you go. Okay, now you're a bit more clued in as to that add-on. Hope you have a lovely day. Thanks for watching. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at Debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.